Okay, everyone, hope everything is going well. Today we will be having some overview about what happened during the month of May and what is the forecast for June. So basically, we saw May was a changing point of stocks. We saw stocks coming up. We saw gold, even gold went to all-time high due to some geopolitical issues that happened. Such as the death of the Iranian president with this incident that happened with them. And they thought it was something that was made from, it's like something that was planned. Okay, so it wasn't known that it was something due to weather conditions or anything. And also some of Iran and Israeli when they were attacking each other, and this also made it different. So basically, as we can see here, the Euro USD moved somehow to 1.08. We started the month around 1.06 and ending this month with 1.08. We have also the Nasdaq 100 moving around 18,247. We have silver at around 31.60. We have the SPX at 5,255. We have the now gold at this moment is 2,348. We have the Dow Jones at 38,088. We do have the Euro USD as we said 1.08. The lowest was 1.078. The USD CAD 1.3675. So basically, the market somehow went up, somehow went down. The SPX reached all-time high to the around the range of let me check where did it reach this month. It reached to around let's go to the daily hourly 5,350, which is all-time high. Now it's back like around 100 points down. This is normal. We have some updates on what's happening in the market also. We have Nvidia news. We had the profits of shares, and Nvidia stock officially reached a record market cap of $2.8 trillion. And Nvidia is now just 5% away from surpassing Apple. Apple as the second largest company in the world, this we all know. And we also saw Ethereum, how it rose 26% last week. And this comes after the Securities Exchange Commission's official approval of ETFs funds on Thursday. Year-to-date, Ethereum price is up 71%, outperforming Bitcoin 63% gain. And the cryptocurrency market continues to shine. We had some statements of the member of the US Federal Reserve that still rule out raising interest rate. We had some of them speaking out this week. The most important, maybe you can say, Kashkari, he stated that he is waiting for a further decline in inflation before thinking about lowering interest rate. And Kashkari also stressed the importance of being patient and called for raising interest rate if inflation does not decline. And as we know, these statements gave support to the US dollar against currencies and metals. Today we had some news coming out. It was an important news. We had the US GDP, and the expectations were that it will decline from 1.6% to 1.2%. So any results that came above 1.2% will be in favor of the dollar. But if the same as expected at 1.2 or less, it will be negative for the dollar because it gives indication of recession. And what it came out was 1.3, so this was a good indication. We also do have we have some American debt is now larger than the entire American economy, and in my own opinion, I see that the financial irresponsibility at its finest. So I don't know what's happening exactly. Tomorrow, Friday, will be an important day. The US personal consumption expenditure price index statement will be issued in the afternoon, and which is one of the US Federal Reserve preferred inflation indicators. So tomorrow is also an important day. Let's keep an eye. What do we have also? And let's talk about NVIDIA somehow. NVIDIA is now greater than the gross domestic product of each country in the world, except 7. The GDP of Spain and Saudi Arabia combined, 3-4 times Tesla's market value. The market value of Walmart and Amazon combined. Russia's total GDP plus 300 billion in cash. 17 times the market value of Goldman Sachs. The entire German stock market. How big can NVIDIA reach? According to Goldman Sachs, gold and copper will jump strongly when interest rates are reduced. Reducing interest rates by 100 basis points, it will lead to a rise copper 6%, gold 8%, oil 3%. Okay, so now let's move for the calendar of next month. Excuse me. Okay. So we can use Forex Factory to check out the news of the upcoming week or the weeks before. So this is this was this week. As we said, tomorrow we will be having this called PCE, which is important. This one. Okay. We do have also important news on euro, core CPI flash estimate, and on the Canadian dollars we do have the GTP also. And at night we do have the member Bostic speaks. Now let's move more. Okay. So June 1, June 2, 3. So on Monday, we'll be having the financial manufacturing PMI and ISM. On Tuesday, we do have the franc Swiss CPI news. We have before the market opens, we have the GOLT's job openings. And for Wednesday, we do have the Australian dollar GTP. And then we have non-farm payroll change. Oh, next week is important. And we do have the ISM BOC press conference for the Canadian. On Thursday, looks like somehow red. We have the monetary policy of in euro. We have the ECB press conference. We have unemployment claims. Friday, what do you think? It's the first week of the month. We have the NFP. So important news coming out. We should keep an eye. NFP is coming out. Let's see where the market will be going and what changed and what's going to change. And let's keep an eye on this. So here you can also be using investing.com. You can also, let's try trading. Okay, you can always use TradingView. TradingView is also a tool to read the charts and to plot things on the charts. Most of the time I use TradingView.